guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to roll back the driver version on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. Just press Windows key button and here search guys device manager and open it. Okay, and in the device manager guys, if you want to roll back any of driver on your PC guys, for example I want to roll back this Intel Core driver, so just right click on that and go to the properties, and in the properties guys go to driver, and here you can get one option roll back driver. If you want to roll back the driver version of that particular driver, just click on it. From here you can easily able to roll back the driver version on your Windows 11. So that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.